The latest updates have been shifting east and east and east. And that's been the pattern with our last few systems. Let's take you through this morning. Some light drizzle will be occurring all the way through about lunchtime. But now as we go into about 10, 11 a.m., some sunshine might peek through, trying to give us an isolated thunderstorm chance. Won't last too long as that cloud cover will still be lingering around. But now, as we go into about 2, 3 p.m., we're going to see more sunshine and we're going to have a very unstable atmosphere. So once these storms break the cap that's in the atmosphere, they will intensify quickly. This is going to be a large hail threat stretching from about Highway 77, a little east of Beatrice, all the way up towards just north of Omaha. And that's going to be your large hail threat. Now, that's going to be when the severe weather threat starts. Going into about 4, 5 p.m., we're going to start to see a cluster of storms. This is going to carry your large hail threat, and then maybe an isolated tornado threat down here towards southeast Nebraska, northeast Kansas. Notice Lincoln, yeah, we're missing out once again. Even Omaha might be missing out too, as these storms look to just form a little towards the east of Lincoln and Omaha. That's your large hail threat. As we go later into the evening, storms will move towards the east. That's going to be your damaging wind, hail, and tornado threat. Could see the best tornado threat down here towards southeast Nebraska as we go into this evening, but still some strong storms continuing through about 6, out by about 8 p.m. Time frame 2, 6 p.m. Lincoln, I would say about 3 to 5 p.m. is our time frame for maybe some light rain and some rumbles of thunder. Just look off towards the east. You'll probably see some towering cumulus clouds this afternoon. And then all through Friday, we're looking at sunny skies, a little bit of a breeze, and no precipitation. Precipitation comes this weekend, though. So the threat for today, 5% hatched mark for a tornado. If a brief spin up can get going down here towards southeast Nebraska, EF2 is possible. The main threat's going to be that large hail. Ping pong to not tennis ball, golf ball size hail, especially down here towards northeast Kansas. So large hail, main threat. Saturday, we got a marginal risk down here just south of I-80, as we will have some showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon and evening. Going into your Sunday, we could have a slight risk in parts of southeast Nebraska. Notice enhanced, slight. Lincoln on Sunday, most likely might be in a marginal risk for severe weather. Now, Sunday looks to be widespread rain and thunderstorm activity. Very beneficial rainfall on Sunday. So if we miss out today, wait till this weekend. I think it's going to be good. Beatrice right now looks calm, looks dry, 68 degrees. Dew point of 62. Humidity, saturated out there. There's that little band right there ahead of the cold front. A little bit of light drizzle. And then we have some low level clouds within these upper level clouds. There's our cold front currently moving out towards the west. It's going to be moving towards the east relatively quickly, so it's all up to that cold front. I'll keep an eye on things this morning, don't you worry. Upper 60s in southeast Nebraska, 40s and 50s further west. 65 up towards Omaha. 68 is our warmest temperature this morning. Look at the moisture. Low to mid 60s for dew points. Relative humidity values, the column of air, very saturated indeed. Winds helping out with that, sustained out of the south, 15, 20 miles per hour. So this morning, we've got a little bit of drizzle as we go into the afternoon. Some isolated showers and thunderstorms will develop a little east of Lincoln, and then they should be out by about 7 p.m. And then off towards the west, of course, some critical fire weather. They will be dry until about this weekend, hopefully. So Friday, dry. Saturday, some storms possible, some showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon into the evening. Sunday, some showers and thunderstorms likely, some on the severe side. And then Monday, that will linger into the morning time. As we go through next week, we are looking at temperatures staying in the 60s with some isolated rain chances Wednesday and Thursday.